पुलिस आ गई थी वो टाइम पे एंड एवरीथिंग वाज अनमैनेजेबल. आई फेल्ट लाइक रनिंग, आई फेल्ट लाइक कि क्या हो रहा है, बट एवरीथिंग फेल्ट लाइक भाई कि क्या गया है. Okay, so 1 week prior, me and three of my cousins had gone for clubbing, and it was a Friday night chill scenes type. And one day prior, on Thursday, we thought that we're gonna go for clubbing, and before clubbing, we're gonna have dinner at a restaurant because, firstly, जो प्लेस पे हम गए थे फॉर क्लबिंग उसका खाना इज़ इंसेनली एक्सपेंसिव, एंड सेकेंडली जिस टाइम पे क्लबिंग चालू होता है उस टाइम तक हम यूजुअली 2 डिनर कर सकते हैं. इतना लेट चालू होता है क्लबिंग, लाइक बाई 11-11:30, एंड वो टाइम तक हम 2 डिनर ऑलरेडी कर सकते हैं. इतना लेट था. और फिर डिनर करने के बाद वी रीच द क्लबिंग लोकेशन, एंड एंट्री का सीन वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज we didn't actually pay for the entry. We put our names on someone's birthday guest list, and this concept was something very new. Even I was new to this concept because, as I said, I am just 11 years old. This entire clubbing culture is very new to me, and but this is something very common in clubbing culture. And somehow, through some jugaad, we entered. We were stopped because definitely मैं तो age group में आता ही नहीं हूँ. I am just 11 years old, and the rule of clubbing is that you should be at least 21 या 18 somewhat. And मैं तो बस 11 साल का हूँ, so that's not possible. But through some जुगाड़ I entered, and I was really excited कि देखते हैं आगे क्या होने वाला है. So now let me explain the plot. So we were 4 people. Hi, I am Parth. I am 11 years old, and with me, I am having 2 elder sisters. The first elder sister's name is, example, Kamla. She is approximately 9 years older to me. She is 20 years old. Sister number 2, let's call her Kamli, and she is approximately 7 to 8 years older to me. She's 18, 19 somewhat, and then I'm having a brother who is also 6 years, 7 years older to me, and he is 17, 18 years old, and I am the youngest person over there who is only 11 years old. So there was no way possible that I would vibe with them. The chances of me vibing with them was almost zero, but still I went because they were forcing me a lot. I am their favorite cousin, that's why. And then finally we entered the club. By the way, this is a very famous club in Mumbai, and but due to privacy reasons I cannot tell the name of the club. Yeah, so as soon as we reached, the environment was pretty chill. Everyone were busy in their own tasks. Some people were taking pictographs, some people were ordering drinks, some people were just vibing. So I felt that this is going to be fun because अब तक म्यूजिक चालू नहीं हुआ है, अब तक क्लबिंग चालू हुई नहीं है. एंड देन आफ्टर 20 minutes, आवाज, एंड आफ्टर 20 minutes म्यूजिक चालू हुआ, एंड बट अभी भी लोग नहीं आए थे. लाइक देयर वर मिनिमम पीपल अराउंड द मेन स्टेज, एंड वी वर नियर द मेन स्टेज. बट देन कुछ देर बाद, लाइक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 20 मिनट बाद, जब क्लबिंग चालू हुआ, पीपल स्टार्टेड टू गेट इन एंड द प्लेस स्टार्टेड टू गेट वेरी, एंड इट वाज लाइक अ वेरी क्राउडी एनवायरनमेंट वहाँ पर. हाउएवर दी क्या बोलते, इट डिडंट फील लाइक एकदम गंदे. द क्राउड वॉज गुड ओनली, द क्राउड वॉज गुड, बट इतने सारे लोग आ गए थे, approximately 100 लोग near that stage, on that stage. So my brain stopped working that time पे, because usually I talk to people with 2 hands distance ऐसे करके. एंड यहाँ पर इन दैट क्लब ये 2 hands distance में 20 लोग कूद के नाच रहे हैं, तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू सर्वाइव वहाँ पर. एंड it felt like a human traffic jam. And the one thing I'm very angry about the clubbing culture is that all of us have been taught to dance like this throughout our school life. So how do you expect a person to dance suddenly like this? I'll show you. I don't know if I'm even doing this step right, but this is something like you need to learn before you go for clubbing. This is a tip. मतलब मुझे concept समझा ही नहीं है that even in like mostly in school life we have been taught bhangra, normal dance steps, and clubbing में एकदम opposite हो रहा है. We are dancing like very डल टाइप में. मतलब ये क्या होता है, ये क्या होता है, समझा ही नहीं मुझे, पर फिर भी सब वैसे ही नाच रहे थे. सो आई हैड टू कॉपी देम, एंड आई वॉज थ्रू आउट the time I was there, I was just doing this because I am a pro dancer. I know different type of steps, but वहाँ पर लोग अगर मैं करता वो सब उधर तो लोग समझते हैं क्या पागल है कौन सा पागल इधर आ गया है. That's what. So this was the main reason I felt that I didn't belong there and I felt out of place. Then another problem was that I don't prefer if people smoke around me. बट वहाँ पर जो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ वो सब हो रहा था. लाउड म्यूजिक, ह्यूज क्राउड, पीपल स्मोकिंग अराउंड मी एंड एवरीथिंग फेल्ट सो डिस्गस्टिंग वहाँ पर. बट this is very normal in clubbing culture. I cannot blame the clubbing culture. I can only blame myself that I went for clubbing because I thought clubbing में बस म्यूज़िक चलता है, people dance, but I was completely wrong. एग्जैक्टली तो वही मेरे बाजू में ही लोग जो मेरे बाजू में खड़े थे वो लोग ही स्मोक कर रहे थे. एंड इफ़ यू नो स्मोक कम्स ऑन योर फेस एंड आई एम एलर्जिक टू स्मोक. सो आई वाज लाइक भाई बंद कर, वरना अभी ऐसा एक बजाऊंगा ना कान के नीचे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था बिकॉज वो बंदा था मुझसे 30-40 साल ऊपर ऊपर मतलब बड़ा. So then I told my sister that let's leave from this place and let's go home. And she understood. And she was like, ठीक है घर चलते हैं अभी. So all four of us left. And the funniest part was that as soon as we left the club, my energy instantly came back. So I completely understood that point पे कि this is not meant for me. And मेरे लिए डोरीमोन ही सही है. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया मेरे लिए अभी फ़िलहाल तो. दिन घर जाके द बेस्ट आफ्टर पार्टी विच वी कुड डू इज़ टू ऑर्डर पिज़्ज़ा. तो हमने पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया एंड एवरीवन वाज सो प्राउड ऑफ मी. दे वर लाइक वाओ यू आर सो टैलेंटेड मैन, लाइक दैट यू आर जस्ट 11 years old एंड तू हमारे साथ क्लबिंग के लिए आया. सो एवरीवन वाज सो प्राउड ऑफ मी. सो आई गॉट अ पिज़्ज़ा ट्रीट फ्रॉम देम एंड I was proud of myself that ठीक है मैंने experience कर दिया. But if you want to experience clubbing culture, make sure you're above 21 because बहुत strict rules होते हैं मुंबई की क्या even any place you go बहुत strict rules होते हैं. So make sure you're above 21. But I would personally choose pizza at home over clubbing anytime, and I don't think that I'm going for clubbing anytime soon. Yeah. And if you are team pizza at home over clubbing, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below that we are team pizza at home over clubbing because I am with you guys forever. And yeah, that was my experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to go clubbing, you should definitely try this if you are above 21. But if you are below 21, please choose some other activities which are more fun than clubbing because there are a lot of activities which are more fun than clubbing, definitely. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment down below and follow me on Instagram because I am active on Instagram too. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.